single letter. A. Code word. Pronounce as alpha. Meaning: I have a diver down. Keep well clear at slow speed, single letter. B. Code word. Pronounce as bravo. Meaning: I am taking in, or discharging, or carrying dangerous goods, single letter. C. Code word. Pronounce as Charlie or Charlie. Meaning: yes, affirmative, or the significance of the previous group should be read in the affirmative, single letter. D. Code word. Pronounce as Delta. Meaning: keep clear of me. I am maneuvering with difficulty, single letter. E. Code word. Pronounce as Echo. Meaning: I am altering my course to starboard, single letter. F. Code word. Pronouns as Foxtrot. Meaning: I am disabled. Communicate with me, single letter. G. Code word. Pronouns as Golf. Meaning: I require a pilot. When made by fishing vessels operating in close proximity on the fishing grounds, it means I am hauling nets, single letter. H. Code word. Pronouns as Hotel. Meaning: I have a pilot on board, single letter. I. Code word. Pronouns as India. Meaning: I am altering my course to port, single letter. J. Code word. Pronouns as Juliet. Meaning: I am on fire and have dangerous cargo on board. Keep well clear of me, or I am leaking dangerous cargo, single letter. K. Code word. Pronouns as Kilo. Meaning: I wish to communicate with you, single letter. L. Code word. Pronouns as Lima. Meaning: you should stop your vessel instantly, single letter. M. Code word. Pronouns as Mike. Meaning: my vessel is stopped and making no way through the water, single letter. N. Code word. Pronouns as November. Meaning: no negative, or the significance of the previous group, should be read in the negative. This signal may be given only visually, or by sound. For voice or radio transmission, the signal should be no, single letter. O. Code word. Pronouns as Oscar. Meaning: man overboard, single letter. P. Code word. Pronouns as Papa. Meaning: in harbor. All persons should report on board, as the vessel is about to proceed to sea. At sea. It may be used by fishing vessels to mean my nets have come fast upon an obstruction. It may also be used as a sound to mean I require a pilot, single letter. Q. Code word. Pronouns as Quebec. Meaning: my vessel is healthy and I request free pratique, single letter. R. Code word. Pronouns as Romeo, single letter. S. Code word. Pronouns as Sierra. Meaning: I am operating a stern propulsion, single letter. T. Code word. Pronouns as Tango. Meaning: keep clear of me. I am engaged in pair trawling, single letter. U. Code word. Pronouns as Uniform or odiform. Meaning: you are running into danger, single letter. V. Code word. Pronouns as Victa. Meaning: I require assistance, single letter. W. Code word. Pronouns as Whiskey. Meaning: I require medical assistance, single letter. X. Code word. Pronouns as X-ray. Meaning: stop carrying out your intentions and watch for my signals, single letter. Y. Code word. Pronouns as Yankee. Meaning: I am dragging my anchor, single letter. Z. Code word. Pronouns as Zulu. Meaning: I require a tug. When made by fishing vessels operating in close proximity. On the fishing grounds it means I am shooting nets. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, and click the notification bell, for you will be updated, for our next upcoming video.